You are about to meet dragons that science could have made real. Like, subscribe and follow for more.